Paul, let's pull up you got it there, the Everything Money channel, the Everything Money website on BlackBerry. What is the market cap for BlackBerry?
Okay, now.
$6 billion.
$6 billion. PE is negative, so that's an X. Profit margin is negative. Guys. BlackBerry, you'll see in the next photo. And by the way, over here on the right, we have 52-week high, 52-week low, and then all these moving averages. So right now, BlackBerry is at $10 or so, and that's above all of the major averages except for 25-day. So that's pretty cool. Anyhow, check this out, guys. Here's the income statement.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Pillar number 3 is revenue growth over the past 5 years.
1.5 to 965. That's an X. But look at this, Seth. In 2011, they did almost $20 billion in revenue.
What happened?
Well, remember, iPhone just like dominated the market. I mean, and I bet you it was more before then. I just don't have the data going back that far. I mean, I had a BlackBerry. By the way, I loved the BlackBerry. You can mark a text as unread, which made me the happiest person in the world.
I'm going to fight somebody if Apple doesn't. I hope.
I don't know why they don't do that.
I hope Steve Jobs is listening to me in heaven, and I need a mark as unread on my text for Apple. Please, people.
He just doesn't read his texts.
Pillar number 4 is
minus 1.4 billion to a minus 830. So that's the check.
They're not losing as much money.
Congratulations. They made money a couple times in the last few years.
Pillar number 5 is shares outstanding.
So remember, we have to divide by 4 here, but still the same idea applies. 2.1 to 2.24. It's actually 500 some million to 500 some million. It's an X because it's going up. That's the bottom line.
Shares outstanding are good. This is 5 straight X's, Paul.
Is it?
It is.
Jesus H. Okay. Balance sheet. Cash on hand, 971 million. Total current liability, 427. And they almost have enough money to pay off all their debts.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Very nice. So
that's pretty nice. So it's a check mark there.
For number 6, free cash flow growth over the past 5 years.
Free cash flow, cash from operations, less capital expenditures. On the Everything Money website, we actually do the math for you. We just inserted a statement here, which we probably shouldn't do, but I did it anyhow. Minus 318 million to a positive 25. Check mark there. There is growth. And the average, Seth, is minus 318. You know what? I'm not even going to look at the average. The average is too wide over the board. It's crazy. Actually, you know what? Do the average.
Go ahead. Minus 318.
Plus 824.
Yep.
Minus 130. Minus 34.
Minus 130. Minus 34. This is crazy.
Plus 25.
Plus 25?
Yes. Now divide by 5.
Okay, it's 140. 140.
They're a $6 billion company. 140 even times 20 is $2.8 billion. That's an X. So the price of free cash flow is next. And guys, BlackBerry's got. So what's this new deal they announced with Amazon?
Go ahead, Don.
Oh, okay. They are being proposed to create the applications that will connect to cars for Amazon. It's still in the works, but that's the latest thing that's been trickling out of the tech space.
You know what? It kind of disappoints.
Say it again, Mo.
It kind of disappoints me that Amazon is doing this because I think I have every smart home device that is made. Google, Alexa, the Apple one, everything. Alexa is by far, without a doubt, the best one. I was hoping that they would, what are they doing? Why are they going to get BlackBerry?
Mo's sad.
Vinny Ving goes, BlackBerry, what's next? Palm Pilot?
Yeah, exactly.
Listen,
I mean, I understand they want to. It's a platform that's already there. They can just use it and build off of it. They don't have to create something new. But
well, all right. Let's tell me.
And by the way, BlackBerry is very big on the government. I believe they do a lot of government work.
Their security is above other platforms.
I think that
that's
all
what it is.
Presidents and people with top tier clearance have to use BlackBerry products.
So Mo, this begs the question: with all 8 pillars in the tank. But maybe an announcement coming. Is this something we can trade?
Yeah, so this is something that I'm going to look for news on. And we can see that we did get that nice little bump here when they announced all of this stuff with Amazon. And as I say, anything that goes up like this and just gaps up day after day is going to come down, and it sure did. So right now they're in a downtrend. They're getting into this oversold area. So if I'm you guys, I'm buying a tracker share. Buy 1 share of this, it's $10, and just wait for this thing to turn up. Maybe you'll get some news and you start getting some nice engulfing candlesticks going up like this. You'll buy it, make a lot of money, and maybe it'll go to $70. I don't know. So it's something great. I do like BlackBerry. I mean, they've been around for a very long time, so.
Okay, Paul, that was our take on BlackBerry. It's an avoid, I would assume, out of you.
Yes, it is.
We have all X's and one check, so we're staying away from that. Paul, would you like
By the
to...
way, not even that reason. It's just,
Yes.
what's the future of BlackBerry? I don't know, and I just sit there and say, I have other ways to use my money. Now, with that said, can you use options maybe as you make a bet? Somebody was saying how they've been in the business of a long time for automated driving, things like that. Then if you have a bet on them, figure out a way to use options as a way to bet on them in the future. We can do that in the Patreon. If you join us, we have an options chat. We can discuss how you can make bets in the future with very little capital using options, but it's all or none with options. You either make a lot of money or you lose all your money that you put in there. So there's risks involved.
Thanks so much for watching the video. We hope you were intrigued. If this style of investing speaks to you, click the link below to join our Patreon. As a patron, you get access to a wonderful community of like-minded investors where you can chat, connect, ask questions, and share ideas with badasses like you all over the world. The best part is you get the amazing Everything Money software. This is revolutionary, unlike any YouTube page. You can track your investments, look at stocks, and quickly run our 8-pillar analysis on any company you like. The top tier patrons get direct access to Paul and Trader Mo. You'll see their daily trades, their updated portfolios, and every options contract they write on a daily basis. We provide Patreon exclusive videos just for you, including live streams and exclusive content from our team. Our bottom patron tiers fill fast, so join today. But hey, if you don't believe me, look at all of our patrons' amazing success stories. This is your chance to get serious about investing. If you're finally ready to level up your investing game, join our Patreon and let's start kicking ass together.